And we start this half hour with that construction nightmare in the western suburbs. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Glenda Lewis. Starting today, drivers can expect lane closures on I-96 as MDOT works to completely overhaul the roadway over the next 3 years. It's one of several projects impacting Metro Detroit freeways this construction season, and it's leaving drivers frustrated with their commute. 7 Action News reporter Whitney Burney has a look at how long these projects will impact you.
Drivers can expect to see a lot more of these on the road with 696, 275, and 96 currently under construction. Drivers here in Novi say they're already expecting to have a longer commute to work. Another day in Metro Detroit.
And I just saw a bunch of barrels, a bunch of signs. It's always something here.
Another construction site.
I live in Auburn Hills, so and I work in Novi. I never take the expressway for that reason.
And drivers say they're exhausted.
It's county roads, state roads, and city roads that all conglomerate right here in Novi, and they don't talk to each other. So when you get to a detour, then there's another detour for another road, and before you know it, you're going 20 miles out of your way.
This is MDOT launched a road improvement project on 96 and 696 roadways that see nearly 180,000 drivers every single day.
We're doing a complete reconstruction on both freeways. So tearing up all the old pavement, replacing storm sewer, rehabbing bridges, replacing culverts. So at the end of these 2 projects, drivers will have a brand new driving surface, new infrastructure, new drainage.
The more than $500 million project means moving all traffic to one side of the freeway and cutting it down to 2 lanes in each direction. MDOT plans to implement flex routes to ease traffic during peak times.
Those will go from I-275 to Kent Lake Road, and those won't be operational until the end of 2024.
MDOT says work doesn't stop there. Several projects ahead will impact ramps and roadways on 94 and 75.
I do think the last few years and the next few years we have had more construction projects than maybe the last 20 years. That's my guesstimate. And it's a ton of money. It's a ton of investment, though, in Metro Detroit. If you think about it, yes, it is inconvenient, but it's a short-term pain for that long-term gain.
The I-696 and I-96 projects are set to continue through 2025. Drivers say they're already planning alternate routes, but they're not exactly excited to take them.
Yeah, that's Michigan for you.
In Novi, Whitney Burney, 7 Action News.